Let's have a look at the new Makita XGT 40v Max toolkit. It is a 6-piece kit. The model number is the DK0115G601. And what is it that comes in this kit? We have a circular saw, a hammer drill, a rotary hammer drill, an angle grinder, a reciprocating saw, and on the left you will see a purple impact driver. Yours may not be purple. As well as all that, you also get a rapid battery charger, capable of charging the two included 40V 4Ah batteries in 45 minutes each. You also get this adapter, which slots on top of the charger so you can charge your 18V LXT Makita batteries. You also get a selection of side handles, SDS grease, and a cloth, as well as a few other little clips and driver bits and pieces, saw blades. You also get a bag to carry it around with. It has wheels and a handle for pulling it around like your luggage. If you want to know more about each of these tools, there's a link to a review down in the description for every single model pictured. The Reciprocating Saw. The angle grinder. The circular saw. The Rotary Hammer Drill. The hammer drill, or combi drill. And finally, the impact driver. So that's just a quick overview of what's available in this kit. For more information, check out the links in the descriptions. If you're into Makita tools, please consider subscribing to the channel. I have over 50 Makita tool reviews already on the channel, many more to come. I also have reviews of other tool brands. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on another one.